in Arkansas.
Down on the ground.
Yes, it is.
It's on the dirt cloud at the bottom of it. It's on the ground. You going that way?
It's up.
No, I'm going this way.
Sorry.
No, I was trying to come down here.
What city is this, Mom?
Huh?
What city is on your receipt?
It's 485 Highway 149 North.
It's no city? Look how thin it is now. It's just a thin little strip.
Yeah. It's got its damage and then put back. I think that's funny. Look at it up there.
Yeah, just a little snake.